Elevate your videos with polished end credits. Let's craft seamless scrolling credits in CapCut PC to acknowledge your amazing team. First, import your video and position your playhead at the end where you want the credits to appear. Click on Text in the top toolbar and select Add Text. Now type in the names and roles of your contributors. Format your text by choosing a clear font, adjusting the size, and picking a color that complements your video's aesthetic in the text settings panel. Next, to create the scrolling effect, drag the text box to the bottom of your screen so the first line of text is just out of view. Then, click on the keyframe icon next to position in the text settings. Move the playhead to the end of your text clip on the timeline. Now, drag the text box upwards until all the text is completely out of view at the top of the screen, creating your second keyframe. Adjust the duration of the text clip to control the scrolling speed. Longer duration equals slower scroll, shorter duration equals faster scroll. Experiment to find what looks best. Finally, preview your credits and make any necessary adjustments to the text, speed, or timing. That's it. You've successfully created professional scrolling credits in CapCut PC. Like and subscribe.